Need to change your home Wi-Fi network for Xfinity Stream? This is usually necessary when switching to a new router, moving to a new location, or troubleshooting connectivity issues. On your streaming device, like a smart TV or Roku, navigate to Settings, then Network, and select Wi-Fi. Choose your new network and enter the password. For mobile phones or tablets, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings directly. Select the new network and enter the password. The Xfinity Stream app should automatically detect and reconnect. For web browsers, first ensure your computer is connected to the new Wi-Fi network. Then visit xfinity.com/stream and log in. If you encounter issues, clear your cache or restart your device. For security, change your router's default password using the sticker on the router. If you're experiencing problems after changing Wi-Fi, start by forgetting the old network in your device's Wi-Fi settings to prevent conflicts. Next, use the Xfinity app speed test to check your network's performance, ensuring you have at least 25 Mbps download speed for smooth streaming. For those with Xfinity Flex or Xfi pods, use the Xfi app to manage your mesh network. Consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system for better coverage, especially in larger homes. Enable two-factor authentication on your Xfinity account for added security. If issues persist, contact Xfinity support or use their AI-driven diagnostics within the Xfinity app for real-time troubleshooting. Remember, keeping your firmware updated ensures optimal performance and security.